Yeah, g'day viewers. Just picked up a little signal here. Doesn't sound too bad. Kick a bit more dirt out of the way, just in case. Alright, sounds pretty good. Still on the ground, so might as well get stuck into it. So there we go. Take the first layer off. Hopefully it's still in there. On there, which is good. Move the old dirt out of the way. Doesn't get mixed up in it. I don't want to take too much off because I don't think it's deep. It's only going to be small by the sounds of it. Wasn't meant to go deep, but it sort of did. Okay, so you're already out. And this clump of dirt here, which is a really good sign. Makes life so much easier when they're in clumps like this. And there it is, right there. As you guys see it. Alright, we'll pop him out and have a look, see what size he is. Let's put him over the scoop just in case I drop him. Oh, he's a nice little thick one. Oh, he's not thick, he's actually pretty thin. Oh well. That's 3 for the day so far. I'm going to have a little break and we'll get stuck back into it. Cool, cheers.